Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all my spring coffee bar for 2025. So go ahead and grab yourself a snack and something to drink, and let's get right into today's video. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and clean off our coffee bar countertop. This is where we're going to be displaying all of our beautiful items for spring, as well as our coffee on top of here. This is actually an all-purpose cleaner that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and it's in the scent Cherry Blossom. Now that our coffee bar countertop is all cleaned off, I'm going to go ahead with these Virtuo Sweet Vanilla coffee pods. These are for my new Nespresso machine that my mom gifted me for my birthday this past year. I'll be putting those in one of these tubies that I picked up from Dollar Tree for just $1.25. They came 2 in a pack. These little tubes are also super cute. They are definitely Easter themed with the little bunnies and the eggs on here. It says Happy Easter. Next, I'm going to be dumping these chocolate Easter eggs into the second little tube that I have. I absolutely love these chocolate Easter eggs. I picked up 2 of them from the Dollar Tree as well. I also have this beautiful rose box bouquet that my mom made. She also put little cute pink Easter eggs in there as well. And I just think that this adds a beautiful accent to my coffee bar. I also have these little plastic cups that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It says Welcome to the Egg Hunt, and I paid $1.25 for 6 of these. These cups were pretty hard to open, so I definitely had to grab my pink scissors to cut into them. So now that they're open, I'm going to go ahead and open up these cute little spring napkins as well that I got from Dollar Tree for just $1.25. There's 16 in here, and I just think that these are absolutely beautiful and perfect for spring as well as Easter. I'm putting these right on the side of my Nespresso machine, and I'm just going to put the plastic cups right on top. I have the cutest teacup and saucer set that I'm about to show you all that I picked up from Target for just $7, you all. Look at how beautiful this is. It's so perfect for Easter, and I just think that this is super cute with the little pink saucer that kind of favors a flower, and then we have a little Easter bunny on the little handle. We're going to go ahead and place this right on the Nespresso machine. Here I have my Flower Market Easter themed candle. I picked this up last year, and I just think that this is absolutely beautiful and fitting for our coffee bar theme. Here is what everything is looking like thus far, you all, and I want to go ahead and show you this beautiful wall canvas that I have on top of my coffee bar as well. I just think that this canvas does match my Nespresso machine to a T. We have a super cute LV inspired with pink and black and sparkles, and look at how gorgeous this looks with this Nespresso machine. Now that our coffee is made, let's go ahead and add some coffee creamer. I absolutely love French Vanilla by Coffee Mate. And lastly, I'm definitely going to go ahead and add this Favorite Day original whipped cream that I got from Target to this as well. Absolutely delicious, you all. Okay, so that does it for today's coffee bar for spring 2025 video. Thank you all so much for watching as always. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Please also comment down below what was your favorite part of today's coffee bar. And also, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you all back here again in my next video.